Hey friends, Catherine here. Let's talk postcards. We've just had Christmas and it is time to be writing thank you letters. And postcards are perfect for that, not only because postage is like 20 cents less on postcards than it is on flat letters, then because it has a small space, so you're limited in what you can say, so you have to get right down to it. And I'm going to show you drawing this cherry blossom postcard today. But before we do that, some things about postcards if you want to make them yourself. For the US Postal Service, they require postcards be at least 3.5 inches high, but no more than 4.25 inches high. They also require that they be at least 5 inches long, but no more than 6 inches long. So those are your measurements right there. This particular card is 4 inches high by 5.5 inches long, which is perfect. They also have a minimum and maximum thickness. And the minimum thickness is 0.007 inches thick, and the maximum thickness is 0.016 inches thick. Now that's going to be heavier than your standard like printer paper or notebook paper. So you're going to want to use like a cardstock. A good average estimate is about the thickness of a note card, like one of those ruled note cards. About that thickness is what you're going to want. This is cardstock, and it can wave if I intentionally wave it, but it's thick enough it doesn't have to. So this is pretty good. I have got a off-white one that I'm going to be working on today. So let's get this out of the way and start working on it. I am using oh goodness, words are not cooperating with me. I am using tape to tape it down, and I'm going to be drawing on it with gel pens, and then, so I've got gel pens here. These are just the Creatology pack of, I think they came in a pack of like 74 or something like that. And then I'm going to be using, for the branches, a gray Pitt brush pen. That's it. Keeping it simple. So the first thing that I'm going to do is tape it down. And I know that that's normally something that you do with things that you have painted on, but I want to make sure that I maintain a nice, clean, even border. And since these branches are going to be running off the edges, that may not happen if I don't do something to make sure. think we might be done. And that is it. The front of a postcard, bare branches but with flowers. Is the screaming really necessary? Let's pull off this tape and see how we did. Ooh, gotta love that clean border. All right. There we have it. A postcard. Pretty okay if I do say so myself, which I do. Must you? Alright, that's what I did today. Didn't take me too terribly long. Even less time for you guys. If you liked it and you want to see more postcard designs, I was playing around and did a couple others. I actually really kind of like this lavender one. Tulips, my sunflower. If you want to see more postcard designs, do let me know. I'm thinking about turning it into a series. I'm also thinking about exploring more. No, I'm going to try making paper out of like the little paper scraps that you end up with after you're done cutting things apart for scrapbooking or what have you. And that is going to be the next project. But I'm definitely thinking about doing a series for postcards. See you all later. Bye!